The HILIGAYNON word Káon means to eat in English. Káon. Káon. Nagkaon ako sang pansit. Nagkaon ako sang pansit. It means I ate pansit. So pansit is like a noodle dish. Ako is I. So nagkaon ako sang pansit. Nagakaon kami karon or nagakaon kami subong. So we are eating now. So kami is like we, and then karon or subong, it means now. Nagakaon kami subong. Makaon ka sang utan. Makaon ka sang utan, or will you eat vegetables or do you want to eat vegetables? So utan is vegetable, ka is you. So makaon ka sang utan. Makaon ka sang utan. Gusto niya magkaon sang kanon. He or she wants to eat rice. And then, is he or she, it's gender neutral. Gusto is like want or like. And then kanon is rice, cooked rice. Gusto niya magkaon sang kanon. And that is all for our HILIGAYNON word Káon, which means to eat in English. Káon. Káon.